Thank you, Madam Speaker. And I thank the Honourable Member for his question. Madam Speaker, as I've actually stated earlier on in August in this House last year, this MSBG initiative is a very important initiative of the Fijian government. It was actually launched in 2014, Madam Speaker. Thus far, Madam Speaker, the initiative has assisted a total number of 17,970 recipients with an investment of about $17.4 million. Now, this support, Madam Speaker, and this is a very important piece of information, this support has indirectly impacted the lives of 90,000 Fijians, Madam Speaker. And to break it down further, Madam Speaker, we've assisted a total of 10,760 male and 7,210 female entrepreneurs. And in terms of geographical distribution, there have been 10,855 in the rural areas and 7,115 urban recipients of this particular initiative, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I'd like to reiterate the objectives and aims of this particular initiative. The initiative was designed to provide grants for startups and existing micro and small businesses, and it is an integral part of the Fijian government's overall commitment to reduce poverty by establishing sustainable livelihoods. Now, this is achieved very simply, Madam Speaker, by providing a capital injection of up to $1,000 to micro and small entrepreneurs, and this is supplemented by that provision of entrepreneurial skills to development. This support has allowed the micro and small enterprises, Madam Speaker, to boost their income capacity and to improve the quality of their lives. It's also provided these micro entrepreneurs a platform to obviously secure further funding from commercial financial institutions. And in fact, Madam Speaker, through, and this is again very important, through very rigorous monitoring and an evaluation exercise that is conducted by the Ministry has identified a number of successful recipients who are ready to even expand further their existing businesses. The Ministry is also working in conjunction with the FDB to assist these successful micro-entrepreneurs to grow their existing businesses and where possibly to actually diversify into other sectors. The monitoring and evaluation exercise, Madam Speaker, has generated positive results, and to date, and I'm pleased to announce to this august House that the MSBG has recorded a resounding 80.3% success rate of those that have been assessed so far. It has been, Madam Speaker, and these results, and this is again very important, these results surpass most international benchmarks for nurturing sustainable businesses in MSME sector, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I wish to also give credit to the hard work and perseverance of all of these Fijian entrepreneurs who have exceeded all expectations and delivered on the faith that the Fijian government and the Fijian people have actually entrusted in them. As part of the Ministry's business support services also, Madam Speaker, we've continued to provide financial literacy training to all the recipients, and since September last year we have trained an additional 1,270 entrepreneurs, bringing the total number of those who have received financial literacy training to about 3,711. Madam Speaker, I'll highlight some of these other ones in my ministerial statement, the success stories, but for the time being, I hope that suffices as the answer.